We in the first video we have described that addition of oxygen or increment of oxygen, addition of electronegative and increment of electronegative are the removal of hydrogen and removal of electropositive. These are four examples. We will take four examples. First we take increase of oxygen, how this happen as oxidation. Suppose when H2 hydrogen burns in presence of oxygen, it forms water vapor. Here oxygen is added to hydrogen. Addition of oxygen, it means oxidation. Here hydrogen is oxidized to water H2O. Why? Due to addition of oxygen. Here only there is hydrogen, but after reaction it hydrogen has added to oxygen has added to hydrogen to form water. Therefore this reaction is oxidation reaction. Second, when magnesium is burned in presence of oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide. Means oxygen is added to magnesium Mg to form MgO. Therefore it is also an oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen, oxidation. Now we will take another example, increase of electronegative. But before taking this second example, we will erase it. Addition of electronegative to a compound is also termed as oxidation. I have taken here two examples. FeCl3, FeCl2 plus Cl2 forms FeCl3. Here we see that the addition or increment of chlorine. Here 2 chlorine atom and the product 3 chlorine atom, means chlorine atom has increased 1 atom per molecule. Therefore addition of electronegative chlorine is called oxidation. Addition of chlorine has oxidation. Because chlorine is an electronegative element, we see that the oxidation has taken place due to addition of chlorine. Oxidation has taken place due to addition of chlorine. It means chlorine is oxidizer, oxidant or oxidizing agent. It forms again. We see in the next example, next equation, we see that 2 chlorine atom has added, SnCl2 has become SnCl4. Increment of 2 atom per molecule. This is addition of Cl2. Addition of chlorine क्या है? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन. Thus we see that addition of electronegative or increment of electronegative is oxidation. We have taken two examples. Next we will see removal of hydrogen and removal of electropositive. But before taking the example, we will erase it. Understand oxidation by taking three examples here. First we have taken removal of hydrogen. H2S is a compound. When this H2S reacts with chlorine, it forms HCl. And sulfur is produced. Here from H2S, hydrogen has removed, leaving sulfur. It means removal of hydrogen, that is into sulfur. Removal of hydrogen from H2S to form sulfur is an example of oxidation reaction. Here removal of hydrogen, oxidation. Cl2 is oxidizer or oxidizing agent, and H2S is reduced to oxidized to sulfur. Next example, HCl. HCl, hydrochloric acid or and MnO2 when react, it forms MnCl2 H2O plus Cl2. We see that this hydrogen has separated from HCl to form Cl2. Removal of hydrogen, that is oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Here MnO2 is an oxidizing agent. Third example, third reaction, Ki, potassium iodide plus H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. When these two react, it will form I2. Removal of electropositive ion K, oxidation. Removal of electropositive. Here K has removed from Ki to form I2. Thus removal of potassium. K is electropositive and removal of electropositive is oxidation. Therefore this chemical equation is an example of oxidation reaction. We will discuss in next video reduction reaction and then oxidation reduction reaction together. Now I will ask you to subscribe the channel and like the video.